This is the gold door Passalong padlock. Got it from Mr. Sour today. Um, it's a beast. It is also slightly haunted because every time I try and pick it, it gives me a world of trouble. So I'm going to try and pick it with what Locksmith Army defines as the stupidest pick in the world, the Peterson postal pick. For some reason, I've always had pretty good luck with my postal. Any lock I can fit it into, I usually try it out, and a lot of times it works. Gets me out of a jam. So, see if I can pick this thing. Yes, that was it. Picked open about 2 minutes or something. I didn't keep track. I was focusing way too much on this thing. It is picked open though. I will show you. This behemoth of a lock is now open. Check out that rust. It's gross. This is a little bit of what I got out of it earlier. And now, that's what I just got out of it. So, thanks to Sour for the lock and the great idea for a pass along. It was fun. It goes with the spirit of Halloween. So, I look forward to sending this out to the next person. And I haven't decided yet, but I might include something else with this pass along for everyone else to take a stab at and enjoy. So, there's the gold door. Monster lock picked open. Thanks for watching.